Hey y'all, since Hurricane Helene, I was surprised that several people reached out to me to check and see if we were okay, and we are. It's appreciated that people reached out. We're fine, and we sustained no home damage, which is a blessing in itself. Most of our damage here has to do with fencing, uh, ride mower. Chicken yard is completely crushed. No chickens were killed, but it's destroyed, and we have hundreds of trees down. It's an absolute mess. This area, whole area around here, was just devastated. May not be too strong of a word, but it was really bad. We have been through many hurricanes in this area, and I can tell you this is the worst one that I've been through, and I don't want to do it again, but we are fine, and thank you to everybody that reached out. Just needed to touch base. I didn't realize there was a question out there, but we're okay, and thank you. I'll show you a little bit of what's going on around here. I'm out here, I do a lot of videos in this little location. It's my shooting range, and it's changed quite a bit. It used to be very secluded, and it's not so much anymore. So I can show you, here's how things look now. I might be able to superimpose some videos or pictures over this the morning after we came out here, and you couldn't see up there. Were so many trees down. All the power lines were down. Lots of trees down between here and there. It's really hard to get perspective of this stuff, but I show you, we're on down the range just a little bit, just about 25 yards. And just walk into the woods here, and I'll back up. I've never been able to see the sky here. It's been all trees, and they are all gone. Show you what the power of a hurricane coming in off. Here's a smaller oak tree that's down, just took it up by the roots. Then it blew another, and another, and another down there. This one back here, I walked up to it the other day just to see. Oh. It's funny, this is right here. This is a little tree that was growing on the other side. The oak tree, the big oak tree, is over there. This root ball, it is every bit of 9 or 10 feet tall. And the oak, it's hard to get to the other side of this thing without a bunch of crawling. We're not going to do it. But the oak on the other side with 24-inch bar of a chainsaw, it won't even go through it. That's how big it is. But this whole, it's just like this everywhere. And now I'm gonna have to get used to seeing sky. I don't know if you'd call that symbolism or not, but there's a big old buzzard on a dead pine tree back behind the shop. There he goes. We ain't dead yet. And another reason for this video is to give Super Clean a shout out. They had contacted me a while before this hurricane, asked if I'd be interested in doing another giveaway for them. I said, of course. And I received the samples just a couple days before it hit. So rather than push this to the side with a chance of forgetting about it, because we've got a lot to do around here, I thought I'd go ahead, bring them to the forefront, give them a shout out, and give y'all an opportunity to get a couple free samples. They're offering the 17-ounce aerosol and the 32-ounce pump spray, and all you have to do to be entered is in the comments section, just type in Helene. And then once you do that, just pay attention. The winner will be selected from the comments, and then I'll get in touch with you through that and get your contact information and get it over to them, and then y'all can get hooked up with some of this. So turn something kind of bad into good for somebody else. Well, y'all, that's it. Like I said, it's gonna be short and sweet. Main thing was to give a big shout out to the people that reached out to us to see if we were okay after Helene, and we are. And I thank y'all for checking up on us. We're like everybody else around here. We just got a bunch of cleanup to do, and that's what I'm about to do right now. Just wanted to stop and take a moment and say thank you, and to give Super Clean a shout out, to give one of y'all an opportunity to win some free samples. And again, just let everybody know that we're okay and feel blessed, honest to goodness. So as usual, I always appreciate y'all stopping by, and good luck with your projects.